Okay guys, so the seated military press. It's a great exercise for reinforcing thoracic spine position and encouraging proper barbell alignment relative to the centre of mass during a overhead pressing movement. With this variation, we're going to do it without a back support, so it's something to bear in mind. A lot of people, when they do an incline press of some kind or a vertical seated press, they over rely on the back support and kind of turn it into more of a horizontal or diagonal press. With this, there's no back support, so you want to set up facing the rack. You'd assume the same military press position that you would normally do, and I tend to encourage people to have 90-90 angles at the hip and the knee. So your upper thigh should be perpendicular with the ground and your feet should be flat on the floor. From here, you want to bias a little bit of anterior pelvic tilt, so drive that chest out a little bit, but again, think about keeping your ribs down slightly so that your abs stay switched on and that we're getting that extension through mid-back. From here, you're going to unrack the bar slowly, because obviously, again, you're going to have to lean forward slightly from this position and then back into the press itself. And then from here, you're going to brace your abs and drive straight up towards the ceiling. Again, thinking all the way through of the bar maintaining its position over the midline of your centre of mass. Keeping it in line with your base of support, you're going to hold it in that top position with your elbows fully extended for a couple of seconds before slowly lowering it back down and repeating.